When it comes time to reorder your cat hose assembly, there's a quick and simple way to get the right hose when you need it. Cat Smart Hose labels with Scan-to-Buy solution make it easier than ever to reorder the correct hose assembly for your machine.
All you have to do is scan your Smart Hose label on your mobile device camera. So, how does it work?
First, look for the shopping QR image on your hose. Then scan it and tap the yellow pop-up screen. You'll be directed to Caterpillar's online parts website, parts.cat.com, to view the scanned hose. From there, you can choose to continue as a guest or log into your Cat account. As a guest user, select your location to see your price and add to cart. As a logged-in user, simply review your item and select Add to Cart. After all products are added to your cart, pick the best option to receive your new hose assembly from your Cat dealer. Once your purchase is complete, your Cat dealer will start building your new hose right away. Ordering a new hose assembly shouldn't slow down your operation. Using Cat Smart Hose labels with Scan-to-Buy solution, you can order the right hose replacement you need in minutes, every time. For more information on how to order cat hose assembly products, contact your local Cat dealer or visit cat.com.